Hello，大家好，今日咧又嚟到我哋 CC Channel 啦。OK，今日係4月19日，咁我哋咧有一個好新嘅消息咧，係關於咧移民局嘅喺葡萄牙嘅移民局。咁 so like we have some news about today, haven't we, Dr. Carlos?
That's correct.
And it's about the fact that like the CEF is reopened again, and there's a lot of people talking about it online, and we kind of want to do a video and just clarifying a little bit about the process.
Yes, that's correct. So starting from today, the government has announced that we are on lockdown for several period of time, and starting today, some service and some restaurants and some shops can be open fully. And the service that we're talking about is immigration. So starting from today, the immigration reopen all their branches, not all, but almost all, but also reopen the bookings that the people are waiting for.
That's very big news because I already, as we know, lots of people talking about the reopening of CEF, the immigration office, and a lot of our clients or people that we know want to have the appointment straight away, as soon as possible.
Yeah, I understand. Despite they reopen the branches where they are going to receive the clients that have already booked before, there are some situations that not 100% open for everybody. And let me try to explain. The situation is at this moment, the new clients cannot make any bookings for now. It means that the reopen of the migration is for the clients that already have booked before, and because of the COVID situation, they suspend the bookings and now they reschedule. It means that the people that have booking and for some reason they suspended, the immigration sent emails yesterday to all these people or the lawyers of the clients to reschedule the date that they have previously suspended. So we cannot make any bookings for now. Many people saying, they opened the immigration for bookings is not completely correct to say it. Only the people, and I repeat, that have booked before have the rebooked done by the immigration. Even you cannot choose. So I received several emails of my clients that they already had booked and now they've been rescheduled for July, August, several months ahead. The people that so far, until now, they don't have any booking, they still have to wait, and I cannot guarantee when the immigration will open again. Well, it's something that is good, that the people was waiting with the booking that has been suspended already have a new booking, but it's not 100% complete because there's a lot of people waiting for making the first booking. That's the situation.
So basically, whoever have arranged appointment previously, they are being rescheduled.
That's correct.
However, if they have not made an appointment yet, it's not available for them.
That's also correct. Unfortunately, it's the situation. That's correct.
And do we know what's estimates for these people? No.
We don't know. Unfortunately, we cannot say anything. I can tell you that we've been waiting for months since October last year. We're waiting for the new clients that complete the first phase of the golden visa has been approved or pre-approval on online, that we are waiting for getting a new booking for them. And since October last year that we've been waiting, and there's not releasing any information from the immigration when it will be open again. We expect any time can happen. We are checking in my office, we are checking every day when they will be open. And we have a lot of people waiting for the first time that never had the chance to make the booking before. So we have to continue to wait.
So I think we have got the message here, and let's hope that COVID is going to be leaving us very shortly. And please guys, be patient. I understand everybody wants to go through to have an appointment, but it's not available just yet. So please don't believe what, like on social media, what they tell you that there is available booking for you unless you have made arrangement.
Yeah, I can give you a small example what is happening today. I receive already several messages in the morning. The immigration already open. Can you book for me? I received several messages from my clients, and it's exactly what I just said. We cannot make bookings at this moment if these clients never had any booking before. These clients has been rescheduled, as you said, and as I said, but for the new bookings, we have to continue to wait.
Okay, I think we hope that we got this message loud and clear, and 即係好希望咧，大家咧就比較啲耐性去等，我哋有一個新嘅即係可以面試啦，咁去打手指模啦。但係咧，真係咧，暫時嚟講咧，收員係開咗閘咧，佢哋仲係未可以打到手指模嘅。除非你係已經有預先面試嘅一個日期定咗，咁佢哋咧就將會係幫你再重新訂呢個日子啦。咁好啦，thank you very much, Dr. Carlos, for coming.
Thank you.
Ciao, ciao.
呢個係寫住係重新再 book 嘅啦，咁好明顯咧係將佢已經改咗，呢個係之前咧 cancel 咗，然之後就再改咗個新嘅時間。